Get free music on mdundo.com. Psst, I see dead people.
What's it on that beat? Nope.
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak, though. Man down, call her ambulance, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down the whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, Willie the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 that fuck em up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Tryna strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't there something B-rap that's for bitchin'? You Malibu most wanted, ain't no love boy, you ball boy, fish Gatorade. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Fuck being rational, give them what they ask for. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take a G-pad, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga, what? They like, what he on? This the Alpha and Omega, bitch, welcome home. This is not a song, this a revelation, how to get a nigga gone. Teach you a man, baby, I don't understand, baby. Pay a bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Baby, come back.
I ain't got no mother.
Trallalero, trallala.
Vou chegar boladão, menos de 1 minuto, vou te levar ao céu, vou te catucar.
And it's fat, watch the sniper. Time to pay the piper and let that real shit provoke. See you don't wanna be low, then you'll get smoked. Then I hope that your fans understand when you talk about spraying me. The same records that you're making is paying me. Motherfuck Dre, motherfuck Snoop, motherfuck Death Row. Yo, and here comes my left blow, cause I'm the E-A-Z-Y-E. And this is the season to let the real motherfucking G's in. You're like a kid, you found a puppy, now you're dapper. But tell me where the fuck
Get free music on mdundo.com.
I ain't got
Take heat.
Haista vittu. Vitu mulkku. Haista paska. Haista vittu. Mene vittuun. Sä oot kyllä yks kyrvän syylä. Mene vittuun. Painu helvettiin.